Hi guys, today I want to share with you the Makita JR3070CT Recipro Saw. The machine is 1510 watt and the weight is 4.6 kg. The power supply cord will be 2.5 meter. AVT means anti-vibration technology. It reduces the vibration 2 times than the normal one. The package includes 3 types different Recipro Saw Blade. The 3 orbital settings enable operator to obtain a more aggressive cut. You can adjust the guard by pressing the red lock button or unlock button. When you want to slot in the blade, just push the blade into the slot. It does not require to turn the chuck. To release the blade, turn the chuck. You can adjust the speed by turning the gear here.